Namaste. Hello. How are you? So, I'm Ipsa. Let's do some physics. Sometimes we can do something else also. We can have some games also. Let's see. Next time we'll have something more interesting. Okay. So we did last time we did magnification, which is from the chapter Light, part 1. Now we're doing the second episode of magnification part 2. Okay. Uh, we came to know two very magical things from value of m last time. We were able to guess them very nicely कि एक तो इमेज बड़ी है कि छोटी है, we could guess it at 1 second, and कि इमेज उल्टी है, inverted है, या is it erect, सीधी है. We could immediately guess from the value of m. Now we're in for more surprise. We can even just know where the object is, where the image is from the value. In fact, we also came to know whether it is a what kind of mirror is it, or what kind of lens is it. So we have answered 3 questions in the last episode. This time we are going to answer 2 more questions just from the value of m. Suppose I have this value of m like this. What all answers can I give from it? I have already made this table. This table is there in all the books. I basically the one which is made for concave mirrors and the convex lenses. I assume that you've read through all this, you've understood this section of the chapter very nicely. I told it last time only that this portion you need to understand very nicely to come here, to be able to understand the remaining 2 magics. So I've written it in short, like not like how books. So this is the location of the object. I'm just taking 1 or 2 examples quickly. So if the object is at infinity, in either of the 2 cases, remember, put some pressure on your brain. The image is formed at focus. The image is inverted, and it is highly small, highly diminished sometimes, right? Very diminished. Okay, let's take another example. Okay, let's take some random example. If the object location, if the object is between center and focus, where is the image? The image is beyond C. I'm not explaining, I'm just assuming we understand all this. The image is again inverted and big in size. It's magnified or big, however you may call it. This is a different example which is there for both the cases, where the object comes in between focus and pole, or focus and optical center. If this is the object location where the object is between focus and pole, then what happens is the image is erect, very different from rest of them, and the image is big. This we need to remember. And for different things, for mirrors, how do you state it? The location of image. For mirrors, we state that it is behind the mirror. For lenses, we say it is on the same side of the object. Okay, so this is the quick revision of what we are supposed to know from before going on ahead. Okay, now from here only, what can you tell me about m? We've already done it. All right, we are seeing that the image is inverted and very small. Inverted array, we know that the magnification sign will be minus. The image is inverted. Last time we did, it will be minus. And highly small, 0, very highly diminished. So minus 0 or minus 0. We say it minus because it is inverted. We may just omit the sign also. But if we write minus 0, that's also okay. So from the table itself, we come to know. And the moment we know these 2 things, we come to know, अरे object कहाँ होएगा? अगर स्मॉल साइज्ड है, जीरो साइज्ड है, तो ऑब्जेक्ट इन्फिनिटी पे होना पड़ेगा, इमेज फोकस पे होनी पड़ेगी. Let's see something else. Let's see this. What do we have in these two columns? With this in last last video, the image is inverted, which means m is minus. Image is same size, which means m is 1. We did it. So for this, we can say inverted means m will be minus, and same sized means it will be 1. Okay, let's take one more example. Wherever the image is inverted, so magnification will be negative. It is bigger. The image is bigger than the object. It is enlarged. It is magnified. So क्या मतलब हुआ? The value, just the pure value will be more than 1. Now we can assume it to be 2, 3, 5, 1.5, 1.2. I can imagine it to be anything. So if I say that the image is bigger, the numerical value we have to take bigger than 1. And if I say it is inverted, immediately from those two columns we come to know कि object को कहाँ होना पड़ेगा. Between C and F, और image कहाँ बन जाएगी? Yeah, see. Okay. But suppose this, again inverted means this, it is highly magnified. That's what we say. Highly magnified का मतलब ये 1.723 से काम नहीं चलेगा. Maybe it is 5, maybe it is 7, something like that. 10 पेन तो होता नहीं है वैसे, but चलो. So if it's a number like bigger than 3 or something, if it is bigger than 3, then it is highly magnified and the object it has focus. Here what will happen? The image is erect. Erect means m का साइन क्या होता था? Positive. Image सीधी है, positive. And it is enlarged, it's big, it's magnified. So the value will be more than 1, maybe it is 2. So if you have a number like this, the object is definitely between focus and pole. Okay, इसको ही क्यों छोड़ देते हैं, चलो इसको भी कर लेते हैं. Inverted, minus, diminished मतलब एक से छोटा नंबर चाहिए. Now you can have it 0.8, 0.7, 0.6, 0.2, anything like that. So this is how the system works, and we immediately come to know where the object is. Okay, now let's do a few questions quickly and let's see what all we can answer. So okay, let's take this example only. What all answers do we get from here? Okay, first thing from the this thing about the image, we are answering about the image, details of image. So the first detail, the number is smaller than 1. So the image is diminished, right? It is small or diminished. The sign is negative. Negative sign means, ये हमें कैसे पता चला? Because m was more than, m was less than 1. Or let me write from here, because the m, value of m, number, the number was less than 1, that means we came to know that the image is small, or it is diminished. Now, because the sign is negative, so we came to know that negative sign means, negative sign of m means ulti image. So we came to know it is inverted, and the inverted moment, you know, it's always real and inverted like friends, they always go together. Inverted ho to real to hogi hi, there is No question about it. So these three things. Now what is the device? This I'm doing what we did last episode. What is the device going to be? Either it is going to be a concave mirror, or it is going to be a convex lens. Remember in that small section 1 to minus 1, I had made the number line 1 to minus 1. Oh, something is wrong. Wait, something went wrong. Okay, let me just leave this. Something went wrong here. Okay, now D may what is the location of the object? Now if the image is small and real, image is small and inverted and real, where is the object? Object is beyond C. So we can say that the object is beyond C. And where is the image? The image from the same line, horizontal line, the image is between, see from here, the object is beyond C and the image is between F and C. Okay, now what went wrong with the mirrors? It. Okay, I'm back. Of course, you came to know that I edited the video. I stopped it in between and started again. But something was not very... So we coming back to this. I don't know what went wrong. Last time only we did, if the value is between 0 and 1. Do you remember that small slot on the number line that we had done? On this number line, we had done a small slot between 0 and 1, 0 and plus 1, where what happened? This were the devices. But if something went here or something went this side of 0, like -1, -2 or 1, then the devices were this and this. Hope you recollect. Now where do I have 0.1? Where do I have 0.1? 0.1 is right here. 0.1 is right here, which means in which section does it fall? It falls in the section of or the device will be this. So here we have the answer. It will be a mirror, which will be the concave one, or it will be a lens, which will be convex lens. So just from the number, we are able to understand 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are able to answer 6 questions out of it. Okay. Now we'll take one more example. Quickly, we'll keep this handy. This diagram needs to be handy because that is one area which causes confusion. The number line. Okay, we'll keep it handy. This is the number line. This is 0. This is +1, +2, and so on. This is -1, -2, and so on. This is the region where we said the device has to be either this or this. This is the number line for magnification. In this section, we said the device is this or this. Similarly, even in this section, the device is in this section. Okay. Now we take another example. Let's take another question, random. M is equal to -2. Okay. Very simple. First, let's deal with the number. About the image, we are talking about the image. So, the number is 2. And you know 2 is more than 1. So immediately number is more than 1. इससे क्या पता चल जाता है? The image is enlarged, magnified. Alright, let's come to the sign. The sign is minus. Minus से क्या पता चल जाता है? The image is inverted. Immediately, now -2 as a whole. -2 as a whole lies in which area? This is the reference thing. -2 lies in this area. -2 is here. It's lying in this section. See? In this section. 0 se udhar. Which is the area of done. It will be either a concave mirror or it will be a convex lens. Okay. Now, what about the image? Where is the image? Or where is the object? We saw that the image is enlarged and inverted. Where is the image enlarged and inverted? Inverted and enlarged. So we'll focus on this section. Where is the object? Because in inverted and enlarged image, see, first two answers are here. We'll stick to this row. The object is beyond C. The object is between C and F, and the image is beyond C. Okay, so here we can say that the object is between C and F, and the image is beyond C. Okay, so while I was editing, I rubbed these off, and let me write this again. If the object is at infinity, this is if the object is beyond C. Here, this is done. This is object is at C. This is C and F. This is object is at F, and this is object is between F and pole. Okay, so we get the solution of the entire thing: size, kind of lens, object position. Inverted means real. I told you, real and inverted always go hand in hand. They're true friends, they'll never ditch each other. Good? We're good with this example? Sure. Now we'll take the last example of this episode. Okay, now let's see. Let's take image as, the magnification is 0.9. This is what is given to us. Tell in detail, it's like a 3-marker question or a 5-marker question. Imagine it's a 5-marker question now. It carries marks 5. And you have to answer for 5 marks. Yehi diya hai, and tell everything, whatever you want to tell. And you, kya kare? Easy, we know the tricks now. We know that the number is 0.9. 0.9 is less than 1. The image कैसे हो जाएगी? छोटी. Image will be small. Good. Quick. Then we know there's no sign here. there is no sign means the sign is positive, right? The sign is positive means immediately it is erect. See, the sign is positive. Just try to rethink. That is, the image is erect. Image is erect. And erect always goes with virtual. These two are best of buddies, erect and virtual. Okay, let's go to the next. What mirror or lens is it? 0.9 plus 0.9. Where is it? On the number line. 0.9 will be somewhere here. This is 0.9. Which area does it fall in? ये बन गया है एक कॉन्वेक्स मिरर का क्वेश्चन या एक कॉन्केव लेंस का क्वेश्चन. See, the number is 0.9 plus 0.9. So the devices that might be used, would be used in fact, would be either a convex mirror or a concave lens. So easily we could just predict it. These are all predictions, and they are 100% true. They are not like Sadhu Baba, Vatayavali type. I'm sorry if somebody is... Okay, they are true they're not prediction, they are facts. Okay, the next is, where is the object? देखिए, image small है और erect virtual है. टेबल पे आके देखते हैं. Erect virtual और small. ऐसा तो है ही नहीं टेबल में. ये कौन सी टेबल में होता है? ये इस टेबल में होता है, इसकी टेबल में होता है. रिमेंबर, इसकी टेबल में एक ही कॉलम होता है. द ऑब्जेक्ट इज एनीवेयर एंड द इमेज इज बियॉन्ड. The images, we can say the same thing, the image is behind the mirror, or we you forget the image location, or you can say images on the virtual section of device. That's the image. Okay, image location. So because small and erect did not exist in the main table. See, we focused at the table that we took the example of was for a concave mirror and a convex lens. We did not write the table for the other two. The other two, if you go through the book, the option is there is only one option. It is not belonging to this table at all. Small and erect. That means it belongs to the other table of the other two lenses and mirrors. So we can just say from that table there is only one option in that table, but the object is anywhere, wherever it wants to be, and image is always virtual side of the device. Is it good? Chalo. Thank you so much. See you in the next episode. We are done with magnification topic. Now we'll start with some other topic. Bye.